Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this series, we are going to talk about index funds in detail. To understand index funds, let's start with the basics of index or indices first. The index or indices are performance indicators that show the performance of certain market segment or the market as a whole. But what does it actually mean? Let's say I ask you, what is the weather condition in India? Can you answer it quickly? No. You need to collect weather information across all the states and analyze it. It would be extremely difficult and hectic and time-consuming process. The wiser thing to do will be to get the data from major cities from most of the parts of our country and have an aggregate answer. Just like the weather, the stock market also fluctuates quite frequently. And if we want to know how the market is moving today at a quick glance, then indices are the primary indicators. You can judge if the market is bullish or bearish based on the index. Indices pick few companies listed on the stock exchange and tracks the movement of those companies to sum up the movement of overall market. These companies are selected on the basis of a number of factors such as market capitalization, sectors, industries, etc. Indices can give us idea about few other things as well. It tells us what investors are thinking about the economy or the market. When the index goes up, it is because the investors are thinking positively about the economy, and it drops if their perception of the economy is negative. So it wouldn't be wrong to say that the index broadly represents the economic state of the country. You can also use it as a benchmark for the performance of other stocks. Now that we know what an index is, let's discuss index funds. The name itself gives us an idea of what it means. Index funds are nothing but mutual funds with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a market indices. These funds invest in companies which are being tracked by the respective index. The portfolio of an index fund changes when the composition of that particular index changes. But then why do we need index funds when we already have plenty of mutual funds which kind of operate on similar principle? The answer is not all the people have time, resources and knowledge to study various mutual funds or stocks. Index investing is a good way to invest in the market without deciding on specific stocks or securities. If you don't know which stock is going to perform well, but you have the faith in the growth of the economy, then index funds are best option for you. You can start investing at a very low price and don't have to worry about the underperformance of any specific stock. It is a good way to get good returns with comparatively low risk. Sounds interesting, right? I will be discussing more about index funds in the next video. So please subscribe to our channel for the update on the next video. Keep watching, keep investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.